Now let's discuss best practices for writing functions when doing shell scripting. Functions should always be written in lower cases. As opposed to variables, there's never a situation where we would want to write functions with upper or mixed cases. Function names should be descriptive as to what they do. For example, calculate underscore area is a good function name because it immediately reveals its purpose. Naming functions with single letters like A, B, or C is highly discouraged. For naming functions, we will use an underscore to separate words, always, as opposed to variables where readability comes first and then style. We will declare function names along with the parentheses at the end. The curly braces should open on the same line where the function was declared. There's always a space in between the parentheses and the curly braces. The closing curly bracket is indented at the same level as the function name. For this guide, we will always use parentheses after the function name, just as the examples shown in this video. There is a video dedicated to functions where we discuss alternative syntaxes for functions.